Here we have a 21 plate Range Rover SVR. Now this vehicle has over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the 22-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition. We also have the carbon fibre bonnet, which is colour coded to the same black exterior paintwork as the rest of the body. With the Range Rover badging across the bonnet, we also have the gloss black grills, SVR badging on the bottom grille. We also have the LED headlights. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, once more in excellent condition. We also have the air suspension. The vehicle is currently on the lowest settings, but can get raised higher. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the panoramic glass sunroof up top, which is currently open, with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear, you find we have the quad tip exhaust, which really do sound incredible. We have the SVR badging just there. Power assisted tailgate, which can be opened on the remote, or if you just press the button underneath there, it will open just like so. And inside of here, you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the partial shelf, of course, just there. 12-volt connectivity, as well as a little hook. We have the buttons just here to raise or lower the car to make it easier to load things into the boot. Button just there, and it will close like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior then, inside of the back first, you find we have the leather interior with the foldable armrest in the centre, SVR logo on the headrest. We have the fixed ISO points and plenty of leg space back here. We also have the climate control down there for the rear passengers, along with the USB ports. We have the premium Meridian sound system, again in leather trim on the doors. We have the electric windows. We also have the brushed metal door handles and the gloss black trim. If you take a look at the front, again we have the leather interior. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable, as you can see, controlled just down there. Also heated as well, and there's a look at them. Again, the premium Meridian sound system. We have the memory functions on the front seats. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel just here with the paddle shifters on either side. If we just take a seat inside, you find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, which is just up here, then the vehicle will start up for us. We have the main screen just here in the centre, along with another screen just down there. If any of the screens are flickering, then that is just the camera, so there's nothing to worry about and not flickering in real life. We have the heads-up display as well just here. Again, if that's flickering, it's just the camera. So on the main screen just here in the centre, you find we have plenty of options such as the media, the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have the sat-nav just here, as you can see. We have the sat-nav. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity just there. If you go into the home, scroll across, you can see we have even further options such as the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, we can scroll across just like so. With the ambient lighting, we also have the dynamic information. Click onto there, and as you can see, we have the dynamic information. Down here, we have the drive mode. So if you click onto here, you can see we have the different drive modes. We can also press this in, and it will change the drive mode. So you can see we have all these other options which we can flick through just quickly like so. But let's just keep it into the automatic drive mode. We have the exhaust note just here, so you can press that and it will make the exhaust louder. We also have the auto start button. The seats just here, so I have the front and also the rear seats, which are both heated, as you can see. Just press that and it will turn the heated seats on. We have the climate control just down here, as you can see, along with the called air conditioning. We have the heated screen as well just here. We also have the automatic gearbox with the air suspension buttons just here. As you can see, it's on the lowest settings, but press that and it will raise the vehicle higher. Cup holders just inside of there. We have a nice little leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. We also have the fridge as well just underneath here, as you can see. Really nice feature. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.